nice sunny day, so I'm going to go for this today. We're going to get all this underseal off, all on here, and hopefully do both sides. Get all this underseal off, and hopefully we'll see what we've got to play with. If there's any metal left at all. I mean, yeah, it's not looking really great, is it? But yeah, we'll see. We'll take it off, have a look. Might be a waste of time, but we've got to see what we're playing with. So right, let's crack on. Right, there you go. All underseal off. Took a little while, ain't too bad, but repair that in the corner, all this bit. Not so worried about this bit because it's all going to be cut off because I've got to get the chassis leg out. So I think it's repairable. I knew I had to repair these, but that ain't too bad. I'll just start taking this out and make some new panels in this bit as well, not a problem. I've still got the main bit here, that's the main bit here, which I need to keep. So yeah, let's go to the other side. Same again, I'll probably replace this bit here. I've still got this bit here, the shape here, so it's not a problem. And yeah, and all this bit. So yeah, ain't too bad really. Could be a lot worse. Like nothing left of it, but that's repairable. So I'm going to spin it over and show you what I'm going to do next. So yeah, as you see on the other side now, all this bit around there, up in the corner. I'm not going to worry about them bits right down there, if you can see them bits. See it down there. I'm going to wait until I get the chassis off, the chassis legs, and then I can rebuild them once that's all off, because I've got to put that new bottom pad in as well. Bit at the bottom there, I'm going to get a new one of them. New front chassis panel here, and I'm going to take this battery tray out because there's some right under here. So I'm going to start getting this battery tray out next, I think. Put some paint strip on there and get some of this paint off and see what we're really working with. But yeah, we'll do one side at a time and then do a little bit at a time and see how we go. But that's what I'll do next, get this battery tray out. So didn't really feel like it took me a long time to get it off. As you can see, it's pretty rotten in there under that battery tray. But there's the battery tray. There's the battery tray there. Take it off, drill them holes. There's a bit rotten in that, and you can see underneath. So I'm gonna replace. I'll show you what I do. I've got a new plate in here, make it all nice and shiny, and paint it all up. So anyway, I thought awesome. Underneath is going to be awesome. So I started taking this back, as you can see there. It's really shiny metal, and I thought, wow, that's going to be decent. That ain't going to be too much of a problem. But when I took it off and looked underneath, I thought, wow, that's pretty rotten. But I'm going to get a lot of this back and see what we're dealing with here. But I'll have to place all this, maybe this bit here at first, get the strength back in that, and then I'll start sort of doing this bit. Yeah, we'll do this bit first, and then we'll go from there, I think, and then we'll go further down to the front. As you can see how bad it is up there. But I mean, this bit ain't a problem, because once I get the new chassis legs on, I'll replace that bit all the way down. But that's not a problem, that bit. It's just still building this bit back up. But I'm looking at it and thinking, maybe I should get some new inner wings. But I'm going to give it a go first to see how well it comes up. If it comes up alright, I'll probably repair them. So I've decided, gonna leave that bit for a sec. This is really clean on this side, but the other side's, you know, pretty rusty. This bit up here I can rebuild up, this bit up here. Obviously that front panel's done in. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rebuild this bit first. Get this strength back in here. Come this side, do the same to this side. And then I am going to build this bit back in there, because that bit folds back in. So we're gonna do that. But yeah, getting this strength back in this bits first, I think that's the main priority. So we'll start doing this, and then we'll crack on with this now. All right, let's do it. So I cut all this out. As you can see on that bit there, that's been bodged up and welded up before. So there was a massive chunk here, which I've taken out because I couldn't get the shape very well. But I had to mess about with it a little bit to get the shape of the new panel, which I've made, which goes in like so, somewhere there, as you can see. Once I get it all tacked in nice and welded in. That'd be nice, I think. So yeah, I had a little bit of a trouble getting the shape of it, but I've got there. So I'll get this bit on, get all this bit on, and then I can start. I'll probably come to this side, underneath here, get all this side done, and then do all this bit. Come along here and put all this bit in and out. I think that'll put nice and tidy then. So I'm gonna crack on with this now. Get all this cleaned up. I'll probably turn it over, just clean up the inside, turn it back round, and get this bit spot welded on. So there you go, all sort of tacked in. Just got to put a little bit in there, that's not a problem. I've done a little bit of welding on that bit, so I'll get that buffed off. But yeah, looking good. This one's done at last. It's been a little bit longer than normal. Had a few things I've been doing. So I kept changing my mind, kept thinking about what I was going to do, swapping backs and forwards anyway. So I've cracked on with the inner wings. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to replace them, I'm going to try and repair them, which I've already started trying to do. So I think it looks good. So I'm happy with that. Like before, like the back end, you know, that started off bad and I thought, can I do it and all that. So yeah, got to that situation, but I'm in the zone. So once again, thanks for coming back. Like and subscribe. And if you haven't already, get yourself involved and I'll see you next time.